Subscribe to TechMeSpot channel and press the bell icon and never miss another update.
Hi guys, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to change WhatsApp chat wallpaper on Android. Okay, so if I go to this chat, you can see there is a basic wallpaper over here. Okay, so how we can change that? So let me go back. You need to go to the settings by tapping on these three dots and then tap on settings, and then you need to tap on the chats. Okay, and here we have the wallpaper section. Just tap on that, and here we have different options. Okay, so it's now the default one, okay, that we have, and the solid color if you like. So let me tap on that. You can see there are various colors. Suppose if we like this one, so just tap on that. You can see wallpaper preview. So if you like, you can tap on this set. So let me tap on the set. Okay, so let's go back to our chat. You can see it's now changed. Okay, so suppose if we want another wallpaper, so again go to settings, chats, wallpaper, and suppose if you want no wallpaper. Okay, so just tap on the no wallpaper. As you can see, wallpaper reset. So let me go back, again go to the chat. You can see there is no wallpaper over here. Okay, so again let's go to the settings, chats, wallpaper, and also you can set wallpaper by using this WhatsApp library. So let me tap on it. Would you like to download the WhatsApp wallpaper package? Yes, tap on OK. You can see over here we have this application. So there are various wallpapers over here. So let's tap on the install button. It's downloading, it's installing, it's now installed. Okay, so let's go to our WhatsApp. Okay, so just tap on the wallpaper WhatsApp library. Okay, so we have various wallpapers over here. You can select any. So suppose if you like this one, umbrella, just you can see we have wallpaper preview. If you want that, you just need to tap on this set. Okay, so let me tap on this set, and if I go back to our chat, you can see it's now set. Okay, it looks cool. So let me go back again, go to the settings, chats, wallpaper, and also guys, if you have any picture in gallery, you can set it. So just tap on the gallery, and here you can see all of your pictures. So suppose if I want this one as my wallpaper, WhatsApp chat wallpaper, so let me tap on that. You can see it's wallpaper preview. So let me tap on the set, wallpaper set. Let's go back, let's open the chat. You can see it's now done. So guys, in this way you can easily set WhatsApp chat wallpaper on your WhatsApp. So that's it guys, thanks for watching. If you like my videos, please support this channel by subscribing to it. Thanks, bye bye.